AI is now busting AI because Google's Gemini 3 can tell if an image was made by a machine. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech updates. Google's latest Gemini 3 update isn't just about giving its AI chatbot more power or fancy generative tools. It can now also detect whether an image was created with AI, thanks to an upgraded tool called the SynthID detector. While it may sound funny having AI expose AI, this new feature is a game changer as AI-generated content is becoming increasingly realistic and harder to spot. SynthID works like a secret digital watermark, hiding itself in the metadata of images, videos, and even audio or text generated by AI. Unlike traditional visible watermarks, SynthID is invisible, making it much harder for creators to erase. Gemini 3 can now check for these hidden watermarks and let users know if an image is partially or fully AI-made. The tool even estimates how much of the watermark appears in a piece, which is useful if an image has been partially edited with AI. To use the feature, users can bring the detector into Gemini as a connected app, upload a photo, and tag @SynthID to see if the image was AI generated. While the rollout isn't universal, as not every AI system uses SynthID, but Google is actively working to bring more partners on board, making the detection system even more powerful. As AI spreads across creative fields, checking if content is real or AI-made is more important than ever. Gemini 3 helps users tell human-made work apart from AI-made creations, all while keeping the AI world in check. Are you happy with the update? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.